Before we get to Brad, check out this video sent to us. Yes, that is hail. We just got this in the last 30 minutes showing hail coming down in Rock Hill. Brad, we know you're tracking some storms right now, so how's it looking outside?
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of hail, all pea size so far, but occasionally we see the size get up around a ½ inch. Now, for comparison purposes, 1-inch diameter hail is considered damaging hail, and that's when you get a severe thunderstorm warning. You can see one cell moving through parts of southern Gaston County. So we're in Dallas looking south towards South Gastonia. That cell right there, you can see it moving through the southern part of the county. This has had some pretty large hail in it, maybe up to ½ inch in diameter, but the bulk of the storms have been down here in South Carolina. Everything's pushing south and east. So if you're in York County, Lancaster County, Chester, parts of Chesterfield, Union County, as well as Gaston County, this little cluster is diving off to the southeast. What's happening today is we have really cold air aloft, and those are producing ice in the storm pretty quickly. In fact, the freezing levels are down to around 5,000 feet. So you look at this, here's 10,000 feet. The freezing levels here, 15,000 feet is about right there. It's about 10 degrees below 0 Celsius. That's about 14 degrees Fahrenheit. So really cold air in these storms. So that's why you're seeing the hail. This upper low is sitting over the southeast. You can see it spinning. And in the heating of the day, you've seen these pop-up showers and storms. Once we get to sunset, which is right before 8 o'clock, these are going to calm down fairly quickly and move out of the area. So your hour-by-hour forecast shows as soon as we get to sunset, things kind of go off almost immediately, and it gets chilly tonight as we drop back into the 40s.